So when did you come to the Steiner Summer Program?
I came in 2009, so halfway through college, I guess. So that was really nice. It was, you know, I liked studying Yiddish a lot, but it's different to study it with one other person or two other people. And the thing I really, really liked about being here was that, you know, there were 17 other people who were very excited about Yiddish. And, you know, I studied Spanish as well up to that point, and it's such a different experience because you have people you can learn with. I had language exchange partners that I was able to find, and you read with the whole class, and you can, anywhere you go, you can find somebody to speak Spanish with. But Yiddish, not so much. And it's really sort of a shame. And so, like, being here was so nice because, I mean, we didn't speak Yiddish all the time, but it was nice to be able to just, like, engage with this stuff and have the people around you understand what you're talking about. And I really liked that.